Hey everyone, welcome back to Digital Growth Tutor. In this video, I'll show you how to create a meta traffic campaign step by step from start to finish. This campaign type is perfect when your goal is to drive more visitors to your website. Let's begin. First, log into your Meta Ads Manager. Click on the green Create button to start a new campaign. From the campaign objectives, select Traffic. Meta may recommend using the Advantage Plus Traffic campaign, but for full control, select Manual Traffic Campaign and click Continue. Give your campaign a clear name, something you can easily identify later. Next, turn on Advantage Plus Campaign Budget to allow Meta to automatically allocate your budget across the best performing ad sets. Set your daily or lifetime budget as per your goal, then click Next. Now, rename your ad set with a name that helps you remember the audience later, for example, by adding the targeting audience or goal. You'll see the conversion location options. Website for sending people to your site. App if you want app downloads or engagement. Messenger if you want users to message your page directly, Instagram or Facebook. Calls if your goal is to get more phone calls. For this tutorial, select Website, as our goal is to drive visitors to the site. Under Performance Goal, you'll find several options. Maximize number of landing page views, maximize number of clicks, maximize daily reach, maximize conversions. Select Maximize number of landing page views. This ensures people not only click your ad, but also load your web page completely. You can also set an end date if you want your campaign to stop automatically. Next, set your location. I'll target Bendigo with a 33-mile or 50-kilometer radius. Turn off the checkbox that says reach more people likely to respond. I don't want clicks outside my selected area. Meta may recommend using Advantage Plus Audience, but I prefer switching to the original audience to keep the targeting specific and controlled. Now, choose your age range and gender. Then add detailed targeting options, interests, behaviors, or demographics that align with your audience. For example, I am targeting people interested in construction and heavy vehicles. Scroll down to Placements. You can manually turn off certain platforms or placements if you want to limit where your ad appears. For this campaign, I'll keep Advantage Plus placements so Meta can automatically show the ad across Facebook, Instagram, and other placements where it performs best. Click Next. Rename your ad name clearly. Select your Facebook page. You can either use an existing published post or create a new ad by uploading new content. I'll select Manual Upload to create a new ad. Under Format, you can choose single image or video or carousel. I have an image, so I'll select single image or video. Under Destination, enter your landing page URL. Below that, you'll see options to add browser add-ons like Call Button, Messenger, WhatsApp, Instant Form, Facebook Event, Phone Call. These can help increase engagement, but since my goal is to send traffic to the website, I'll select None. Now, upload your image. Sometimes Meta automatically pulls an image from your page. If that happens, simply remove it and upload your own. Click on Add Image. It will take you to the creative options. Turn off branding if your image is already pre-designed or if your brand guidelines are strict. Site links allow you to show other pages of your website. You can add custom images and at least 4 different links. However, for this campaign, I'll turn off site links because I want to focus all attention on the main link. Now, upload your ad image or choose from your account's media library. If you have additional vertical or horizontal sizes, upload those too. Otherwise, keep the original size to avoid cropping. Add your primary text and headline. You can add up to 5 different versions and even generate more variations using Advantage Plus Text Generation AI. Meta also allows Advantage Plus Image Generation AI to create additional ad visuals automatically. I'll skip these options for now as they may not align with strict branding guidelines or require client approval. Under Tracking, select the Meta Pixel. Make sure your Meta Pixel is connected to your website. This helps track performance and conversions accurately. Before publishing, double-check everything. I can see the site links are still turned on. I'm turning this off. Once everything looks good, click Publish. Your Meta traffic campaign is now live. And that's how you create a Meta traffic campaign from start to finish.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below with any Meta ads or digital marketing questions. I'll be happy to help.